Hi everyone, I wanted to just post a quick video about this new book that I received called the Keto Kickstart. This book is actually a great book for any beginners that are new to keto, such as myself. And basically, the Kickstart book talks about what is the ketogenic diet, the science behind it, the myths, beliefs. It walks you step by step, basically, and talks about the diet, ketones, getting into ketosis, if it's a healthier way to live. It talks about if you can go from having a normal diet to being more of a keto diet. It talks about the benefits of the diet itself, which, of course, a lot of people are looking for losing the ab area, the mommy tummy. And then, of course, just overall losing weight. For me, that's definitely a plus. It talks about foods to eat, foods to avoid, and it really goes through at the end of the book and gives you some recipes for different things here. So I really am enjoying the book. It's really laid out in a way that's easier to read. It's not complicated with a bunch of scientific words. It's really just a really easy read, and the print is big enough so that you don't feel like you're reading a whole lot of text on a page. And it just, to me, I like the way it's really broken down, honestly. You see the keywords and you hear the keywords, and here where I'm actually able to learn about the coconut oil and the MCT, which a lot of people are talking about. But honestly, I had no idea what they were talking about and all of that. So this is really a great book. Again, to just kind of take you through the beginning steps of keto diet and learning how to track your intake, maybe what apps to use, how to make incremental changes. And so again, as I mentioned before, it does at the end here, let me get towards the end, it kind of gives you a meal plan, which is great. And if you click on any of these links here, it will actually take you to the actual recipe. So it gives you basically all the ingredients. It gives you the instructions on basically just making all these different recipes. Oh, pizza eggs. Oh, wow, that sounds really good. And, hash browns. For me, potatoes are a big thing, and I'm really trying my best to not eat a lot of potatoes. So it's great to see that they've got instructions for different things. So honestly, I am really looking forward to it. I know it's going to be a challenge for me because carbs are just something that I gravitate towards and have gravitated towards for years. But this book really helps lay it out in an easy to understand fashion. So I highly recommend this book, you guys. Again, this is the Keto Kickstart book, available on Amazon. I'm going to post the link in the comment section or in the description section, so you can definitely check it out and see. It's fairly inexpensive. You can get an audio book if you have Audible. You can buy a hardcover or paperback version of it. Or like me, this is more of a PDF, so you could get the Kindle version as well. But I would definitely say check it out. It's a great read. It's easy to understand. So check out the Keto Kickstart book.